Yun. So, magandang araw guys. Welcome back sa ating channel. So, for today's video, mag-hunting ulit tayo. Yan. Ito gagamitin ko guys. Yung FX. Yan. So, yung gagamitin nating side cam yung Eagle Vision. Eagle Vision na side cam. Kay Brother Chris. Sa kanyang unit to. Shout out Brother Chris. Yun, hindi pa natin na ilalagay guys yung side cam. So may nadali na tayo guys, 5. Wala pa tayo side cam, nakadali tayo ng 5. So sana makahuli pa tayo guys. Baka yung 5 na lang ang papadapo natin. So yun, medyo mapo guys, ayun dun sa Ilina. Ayun. So tirahin natin guys. Stay tuned lang. So nadali natin guys. Laglag. So ilalagay na natin yung side cam. Baka may dumapo ulit. Stay tuned guys. Nakaka-6 na tayo. Wala pang nabibidyohan. Wala pang side cam. So sige guys. Stay tuned lang.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So yan guys. 6 lang yung napulot natin. Wala yung isa. Hindi ko alam kung nakalakad o hindi natin mahanap. So yan, 6. So sige guys, stay tuned lang.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Ayaw laglag Natatakot yung ibang ibon dito. Oh. Hindi pa rin nilalaglag. Huwag ka na. Yun. Yun. Ayan. Nalaglag din. Ortiwan yan, yung Melina. Itong niyog. Yan, 27.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Yung napulot natin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, tuwalo, siyam, sampo. Sampo yung napulot natin. Tagal nating mamulot. Kasi mabubulabog sila pag pinulot agad. Buti sana kung may kasama ako, guys. Para yung mga nakadapo doon sa walang dahon na yun, no? Na bubulabog. Pag pumatok sila doon, pupunta sana dito. Kaso wala akong kasama. Ako lang mag-isang naghunting. Yan, sige guys, abang-abang pa tayo konti. Kung meron pa, stay tuned. Ang dami doon, oh. Ang dami nakadapo. Kaya lang malayo. Malayo yan. Mahigit 100. Ayan, oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dali, ang spotted. Pahabol.
24 hours later.
Tapos na yung adventure natin, guys. So, ano tayo? Naka-jackpot tayo. Paldo FX. Marami pang lumilipad-lipad, kaya lang ayaw nang lumapit sa binabantayan natin. So, baka na lang ulit natin to. Ito pa rin yung maisan, guys, na pinapuntahan ko. So marami talaga sila. So ito yung mga gamit natin. Ayan yung ginamit nating FX. Yun. Yung FX ni Brother Chris. So shout out Brother Chris. Ito yung FX mo. Magaling. Magaling tumira itong FX mo talaga. So yun, guys. So hanggang dito na lang. Naka 23 tayong piraso. So kita-kita ulit tayo, guys, sa next na video natin.